morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here to have a good tutorial on how to use a directional gyro. Now before we start directly, we need some backup, or I would like to say it would be preparation in our laptop or any device that for example desktop also you might use for preparation. We would require some certain files, so let's go. Here we have directional gyro containing few files such as further course, library, ready to run directional gyro, reference picture, software and zip library. Now we would require two softwares, that is Arduino and processing. The software is already here. Anyone having this CD can install it directly from here. Now there are some libraries that is to be set. Now I would like to say that I have already installed these two software, and now we have to upgrade our libraries. Now where do we upgrade our libraries? Here we have two libraries, Arduino and processing. Now what we would be doing is we would be copying these Arduino files to our document, Arduino, libraries, and paste it here. I have already pasted it here. Now we would do the same for processing. Here we copy this processing, take it to documents. We have processing installed here, libraries, and paste it here. In this case, now we are ready to have our codes running. Now what we would be doing is that first open directional gyro. Here we have further codes. I will be talking about further codes later. We have used library, we have used software installations. Now zip library, here it includes the zip files. We can either we can use the extracted files, or we can use it from here also. Now then we have ready to run directional gyro. Now this is the main code that is prepared already for our directional gyro purpose. We would just require to open it, then copy Arduino codes to have representation. Arduino simulator main. It would take a while to initiate. Now here is the code for Arduino. What we would be doing before uploading, we should check the port. Here when we connect the Arduino, the blue cable, we will have a port available. Whatever the port is available, we use it. Then upload it over here by clicking here. We would have a live demonstration. This is just how we prepare a rough guideline for using it. We would keep it, minimize it. We would go back, processing code for directional gyro, processing code main, open it. First we would upload Arduino code, then after the uploading is done, we would use the processing code. Now processing code takes some while for initiating itself. It may vary from computer to computer or desktop to desktop. Now we would take it by side, we cross this thing, and now after uploading this we press here and run, and then we can have the required processing graphical representation that we want to see. Now why are there further codes here? We have a further code here. So now further code includes Arduino code to obtain the raw data. We just need to run this Arduino code, and then after uploading it, we open the serial monitor and then just see it. It is this simple. Here, after opening the serial port, there will be a window which will give us the raw data. In case of 3-axis, if ever the gyroscope is converted to a 3-axis gyroscope, we can use this code to have artificial horizon reading and also the heading reading. For that case, we just the main simulation would be carried out by just using this code instead of the earlier code of gyro that we are using. In case that is, would simply we use this instead of this processing code. This is our processing unit. Now we will be plugging in our USB code. The lights indicate that all the systems are working perfectly. Now first we will have to in tools check the port to which it is connected. Now we have to change the port to COM11, like as it is in our laptop. According to our laptop, it is in COM11. Then upload the file. So the uploading is almost completed, but when it is done, it would be showing here that done uploading. After this, we will start the processing unit. Now here we will be opening the processing code. Now in this processing code, we will have the heading as we can see. This would be the display screen on our laptop. Now this is the gyroscope, that is the directional gyroscope we are talking about. As we move the gyroscope gimbal, now we can see the heading changing. Now see, it is changing to the right and it is also changing to the left. Now how do we demonstrate it? We put a weight. Weight represents the force, and as we use the force, the rotation of the rotor tries to keep it at a steady position. Now as we are applying force, it will cause the outer gimbal to move, showing here, and we will see the angle moved, the azimuth angle in the place here, that is it's 180 degree now. Now in case of the switching off, we first switch off the running screen and then turn off the rotor. And this would be the simulation if we were doing we were having a 3-dimensional gyroscope.